Hello friends, this is Abhijit from Abhigik, and today we would be reviewing some best apps and uh, wallpaper apps and different types of apps in Android which are best for December 2016 year end. So let's begin. The first app which I would talk about is known as Photoshop Express, and this is a very good app as per photo editing in concern, and those persons who are going into a profession of photography. This mobile is being based on Android, and you can see that you can edit surely to any type of wallpaper which you would be dependent upon, and you can surely edit this on the basis of different types of options which are given, like filter options, crops options, then normal vibrant options. Then you can switch to different types of themes in basis of which you can surely edit the photo. On the basis of this is the best launcher which I found, and I surely wanted to share to you. So you can in the apps type you can turn the photo to any direction of undo, and from here to here you can switch to a different type of entrance mode in which there would be a different type of aperture which would be founding on this. On the basis of that you can capture it on the basis of that. So this is a very great app as per photo editing is concerned, and you can save it directly and there is no issue upon it. So this was the app which I was talking about. The second app which I would talk about is very best, and I have used it many times. It is known as Powerline. The Powerline is basically an app in which uh, there would be a small panel upside. You can see the battery on the top. You can see the battery meter on the top, and for Wi-Fi strength it is showing that it has a green screen on the top. So green screen on the top, so you can edit it on the basis of that. If you want the position on the base, on the position, if you want to change the color, you can change the color. On the basis of that you can change the color, and as per your suggestion you can go for it. And you can also add on different types of aspects, like if you want missed calls you can also add on that. If you want memory, you can want processor, storage, different types of aspects are additional indicators are being given, on the which you can categorize it and you can use it, and it would be good upon your side to know the battery percentage and the Wi-Fi percentage. The third app which I would talk about is known as a launcher, which I loved very much, and you can see the simplicity of this launcher. You can see different types of apps which is being nominated upon side, and major apps which are concerned for you are known as calculator, camera, Chrome, clock, contacts and all, Dropbox, eBay. So it's categorized on the basis of the usability. It means if you want to use, if you are using these type of frequent apps, it would go to a bigger size, and if you are not using that much of that app, it would go to a smaller size. You can see this million wallpaper app. So if I've clicked it, it is opening so well. So you can at one stretch you can see that how flexibility it is and how concise it is to use in this app. As per changes is concerned, not much changes is given, but simply a categorization of different types of toggles or sections are given, in which you can see the most usage apps are in bigger size and small usage apps in smaller size. So you can go for this launcher. It is free in Android store, and it is also very great. So whenever the third app is concerned, I looked upon it and I calculated it's known as Brave. It is a browser app which is very simple upon the usage, and you can surely connect to it and you can use it on the basis of the meaningful of this app is known as that it has an incognizant tab, and the major importance of this app, which is known as, is basically that it blocks the ads. It also is very simple, and you can surely connect to it and you can use it very flexibly, and it is very fast and it's very frequent. You can see my Facebook thing is opening very fast. So if you want to go to Wikipedia, there are many types of toggles which have been given, and in there here it also blocks ads and also blocks the cookies and the different types of aspects. So it is very simplistic browser. You can go for this, and it is free in Android store. This is very great. So for the fifth app which I would concern is known as 4K wallpaper, which is very great, and it contains the wallpapers which you want in the base of 4K resolutions, and you can see the flexibility and the tangibility of these apps which are concerned. You can go for these apps as per free in Android store, and you can see there are different types of suggestions which are also given as per apps is concerned, on the basis of which you can go for it, and you can download these also. Apart from that, if you click any single wallpaper which you want, you can download it on the basis of its flexibility and as per your suggestion is concerned. So you can go for this app. App is free in Android store and it is very great. The sixth app which I would concern is known as a ScanBoot. This ScanBoot app is free in Android store and it is very great, and I used it. It is very simple and simplistic wallpaper in which you can scan anything. If I would click or write a photo in which I want to click it, you can see that it is connectly during it, and you can see that how it is capturing this image, and you can connect to it. If you would click on it, it would precisely capture it and it would record it, and the basis of give suggestions also as how to record and what to record. So you can see the scanning flexibility upon it, and it's very clear in as per display is concerned. You can surely save it, and you can give the mail to anyone, or you can go for it, or you can also have a cloud storage apart from that in which you can scan the documents and you can send the mail to directly to through this. So this was the app. The last app which I would concern is very good for those persons who are very persons which are fond of food, and they can go for this app. It is free in Android store. It is known as Recipe Book.